This conference will now be recorded.
Fine. Okay. Let me open this application. This is like GoToMeeting site problem. Okay, it is not my system problem. So whenever we are learning, we need to have a lot of patience. Okay. So with patience only we can learn this application. Fine. Let me make this one. Okay, fine. So we are learning about company creation process. We are learning about company creation process. So yesterday we learned about up to APR. Okay, APR we learned. Now today we'll try to understand about item creation process. Okay, if you want to create an item master, what are the mandatory fields it is required? If you want to create an item master, yeah, please, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. We can hear you.
Okay, fine. If you want to create an master, item master, if you want to create an item master, what are the mandatory fields? By this time you should know.
Site and warehouse.
That's it.
Sir, item group, item model group,
Item model group, item group.
and
Okay,
storage
item model
dimension, storage
Hmm.
dimension group,
Hmm.
and inventory dimension group.
Posting profile we need to
If you want to create an item master, so we have already started 1 month, 2 months back. Okay, if this is, it is
There are
must. If, yeah,
there are I think so. There are 8 mandatory.
yeah. So if I'm
and
giving,
then
if I'm giving like if I'm giving examination paper also, if you are not able to answer, no use. Item creation, I told you many times. So if you are attending interview, item creation is a part of P&L, but it is a part of finance also. You should know. If you want to create an item master, item group, item model group, storage dimension group, tracking dimension group, product dimension group, purchase unit, inventory unit, sales unit. Okay. Okay.
okay.
So this is, see, like many questions. See, whenever you are attending interview, I'm just telling you the interview, or not only interview, like whenever you are facing client anywhere. Okay, 90 out of 100 questions, 90 questions are you know answers. 10% you don't know. So many people look at 10%, whatever, like suppose you are attending interview, they will ask like, one is, what are the customizations you did it? That you don't have answer. But except that question, remaining all questions you know the answer. But people will not look at that one. Suppose I'm showing here. Yeah. What is this?
Dot.
So we like which, what is your what exactly you are looking, the entire screen?
White.
is a
White.
whiteboard.
Paper in Dot.
Yes. Yeah. So you need to look at white paper, but not that. So in motivation sessions, the trainers, what they will take, one white paper they will take, and they will put a dot, small dot with pen, and they will show the paper in front of the audience, white paper. So people will start like speaking like dot, circle, black. So why are you not looking at the white paper completely? Okay, here intention is like out of 100 questions, 95 questions you know the answers, and 5 questions you don't know answer. So you need to focus on 95 questions, not 5 questions. So in interview you will face like the challenge like the same kind of this kind of like this, like what are the customizations you did it, you don't know that one, but remaining questions whatever I'm teaching, 95 to 98% whatever I'm teaching, if you are answered that one, then you are in the top. People will not look at the questions whatever I have explained. Okay, it is not only one person, for any human being. Try to focus on whenever you are learning cycle, there is a like entire road is there. You will look at the one small stone is there. So you will look at that stone and you will focus to you will try to like deviate from that stone, but you will jump into that stone only. That is your internal fear. Okay, you need to remove your internal fear. You need to remove your internal fear. In the same manner, whenever you are learning, try to focus on 95% direct, straightforward questions, and try to answer that one. Then you will be in the interviews, or you will be in the race, and as well as you will be like in front of good consultant in front of the like a client. Okay, so this item creation process, usually whenever I'm teaching long back, I will ask like a chorus, like a fish market. If you go to fish market, you will see like everyone will keep on speaking. There is a noise. In the same manner, I will speak this one. Okay, I want now like fish market here. I want fish market. If I want to create an item master, everyone try to speak. Unmute please. If you want to create an item master, what are the fields it is required? Everyone please unmute.
Storage dimension group, product dimension group,
I'm getting only one voice.
item group,
Item group,
item model group,
storage
purchase
direction,
Item
unit,
group,
purchase unit,
item model
inventory
group,
unit, sales
item
unit,
model
inventory
group,
unit,
product
sales unit,
dimension,
item model group, product dimension group.
dimension group, inventory
Okay.
unit, product unit,
So
site units.
yeah, thank you. So I want everyone should discuss with each other at least whether is it started. It is 2 months back. I have already initiated. We have started this training batch 2 months back, and have you already discussing with any person at least 10 minutes, 15 minutes? No. Okay. So whatever I'm saying, no one is following. And people will call me after completion of this session. I'm looking for a job. Sir, please guide me, please help me. I will do from today. So it is not from today. Like see, kal karna hai to aaj karo, aaj karna hai to abhi karo. That's what slogan. Kal karna hai to aaj karo, aaj karna hai to abhi karo. Very good slogan in Hindi. If you don't know Hindi, like Telugu I'm speaking. రేపు చేద్దాం అనుకున్నది ఇవాళ చెయ్యి, ఇవాళ చేద్దాం అనుకున్నది ఇప్పుడే చెయ్యి. Okay, if you want to do it tomorrow, do it today. If you want to do it today, do it now. That's what favorite slogan. Okay, so I want everyone should practice with the system, and you need to discuss with any one person at least. So in this group we have so many friends, am I right? So you may not like everyone, but at least you need to like at least 1-2 persons out of this. Is a very big batch, 35 members batch. We have 35 members. Whoever is joining every day, try to speak with the person. Okay, so if you I'm wasting your time, I want to speak with you for 2 minutes. So when I'm providing training, not providing training, I'm attending training in 2005. In 2005, I'm attending training. One of my colleague, I asked him, like, explain me about the subject what you have learned. For 10 minutes. For 10 minutes, I asked him to speak. He has started speaking, and after 2 minutes, he don't have words. Okay. Then I asked him, his name is Srihari, because training is over, 2.5 months or 3 months, same kind of thing. That is another training. Okay, training is over. From last 3 months we are learning, and if you are not able to speak for 10 minutes about the subject, our faculty is explaining 1.5 hours every day. 3 months, from 3 months he is explaining more than 150 hours he has spoken, or 100 hours he has spoken with us something, and you are not able to speak for 10 minutes. What is the use? Are you looking for a job really? I told to him. Then he left. That was happened on Friday evening, and Monday morning he came with very red eyes, with complete red eyes. And I asked him, what happens really? Then he told, like, I did not slept from last 2 days, 3 days. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, he did not slept at all. Why? He is earning 1,000 rupees. He is earning 2,000 rupees from his village, and 1,000 rupees he is giving for his mother and father. 1,000 rupees he is saving. Like that, he brought 24,000 rupees to Hyderabad. He came to Hyderabad with the 24,000. From last 3 months, the fee and everything, expenses and everything, 20,000 gone. Only 4,000 he has. He can survive with 2 months with that 4,000. After that, he has to go to once again his native place, his hometown. That is his situation. Means within 2 months, if he got job, he can stay back in Hyderabad. Otherwise, he need to go to his hometown and he need to work for 2,000 rupees. That is his situation. He literally cried like anything. If you are asking me one question like, if you are not able to speak for 10 minutes, then how you are expecting a job about the same product? He realized, and he started he made me like, he's my colleague, but he made me guru. I mean to say, I became guru to him, and he struggled a lot. Means after completion of the training also, we went to the training institute. Okay, and I'm gathering the people and I'm teaching, I'm speaking, I'm teaching whatever I learned. So teaching is, I started from at the age of, my age is 10 years. My age is 10 years. Means 5th standard. When I'm studying 5th standard, I used to teach mathematics to my friends. Okay, I have total more than 30 years of experience in teaching. Okay, why I'm teaching this one, why I'm speaking this one? Everyone need to practice and you need to speak. So that guy, at last he went to USA, and now he earned more than 1 crore. 1 crore is a very big amount for him. Now maybe it is, this news is 5 years back. Maybe he earned maybe 2 crores, 3 crores, I don't know. So if he missed that one on that day, if I am not inspiring that person, he may need to go back to his hometown, and he need to work with 2,000, 3,000, 5,000 rupees. That is his situation. Okay, now I know, like, in the attending, whoever is attending, there are many people struggling a lot to get a job. So if you want a job, you need to speak. Okay, you need to speak. Definitely need to speak. Yes, Satish. So if you are speaking, you will get more knowledge. So I'm asking you to speak each other, at least 2 persons, 3 persons. Make a schedule. In the group itself, you can make, like, we'll discuss for evening 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So if you want to go to meeting, like go to meeting is not possible, then you can go to this Gmail, Google Meet. This is free. You can make yourself Google Meet, and 2, 3 members, 4 members, based on your availability, try to discuss each other. Then only you can get a job. So in my trainings, like motivation is also one of the topic to me. I know like 80% are responsible, to 20%, 10%, 20% maybe negligence, but everyone who is having responsibility try to speak with opposite person. If you are teaching to your friends, your juniors, your knowledge will be increased. Okay. I'm sorry, but I'm sorry to say this one, but it is important. Fine. If you want to create an item master, we need to have storage dimension group, tracking dimension group, product dimension group, item group, item order group, purchase unit, inventory unit, sales unit. Now, first thing is item group. We need to create item group. Let me go to the application, APL, inventory management, collapse all, setup, inventory, item groups. So you need to create item group. Suppose stationery. I'm creating stationery. Okay. So the path is inventory management, setup, inventory, item group. Okay, this one we need to create. First one, item group we have created. Next, item model group we need to make it. Item model group. So item model group is, so there are so many ledger accounts we need to map here. We'll see this one later. Okay, item groups, ledger accounts we need to map. We'll see this one later. Next, item model groups. So I'm clicking on new. We understood like FIFO. 2 days before or 3 days before we learned this one. FIFO. In this, we understood about stock to product. We understood about post fiscal inventory and post financial inventory. And I have not explained in detail about this one. I will give you more insights later after completion of the company creation process. Of course, this is all our T&L related, but high level picture I will give you. These check boxes we understood, but I will recap once again. Remind me, I will discuss with you this item model group after some time. Fine. Item model group is created. Method FIFO. Item model group FIFO I have created. As per the client requirement, you are going to create different methods. Okay. One sample we have created. Item group created. Item model group created. Next one is storage dimension group, tracking dimension group, product dimension group. So let me finish this one. Item model group we have created. Item model group we need to create. Okay. Next, storage dimension group. Storage dimension group, tracking dimension group, product dimension group. All these are inventory dimensions. All these are inventory dimensions. So like all our inventory dimensions, in this all inventory dimensions we have storage dimension group, tracking dimension group, product dimension group. Where it is available means it is in product information management, product information management, setup, dimension groups, dimensions and variant groups. You will find all these three. I'm sorry. All these three you can find. These three are not required to create. The reason behind this is enterprise level data. So enterprise level data means it is already created for some other companies. That one we are going to use once again. Okay, let me show you. Product information management, collapse all, setup, dimensions and variant groups, storage dimension groups. It is already created. because in USMF DMF it is created that it is available for APL as well. In the same manner, tracking dimension group, it is available already, and product dimension group is available. No need to create. Actually, why in the new company, if it is new company, fresh database, you need to create all these things. You need to create all these things. Okay, next. So in the item model, in the item creation, we understood this one. We understood this one. We have created these two, and we have already created one. We are going to use it. Next, purchase unit, sales unit, inventory unit. Units, it is purchase unit, inventory unit, sales unit, and BOM unit also, bill of material unit. That is a part of T&L, all these things. Okay, so where it is available means organization, administration, setup, units. Okay, organization, administration, setup, units. So look at this one. Organization, administration, collapse all, setup, units. Here also, this is also enterprise level data. That is the reason it is not required to create. It is already available. Next. Next one is types. Purchase type, unit map. Okay, one of our colleague is asking. Storage dimension, tracking dimension, and packing. Packing creation. How it is? Packing creation means what it is? Satish, if you don't mind. Product dimension group, but not packing. What is you are referring for? Satish, are you able to speak? Yeah, your voice is not audible, Satish. I don't know. If you are speaking, you are not audible to us. But what is you are referring to packing? No, I have not muted. Ismail, can you speak?
Sorry?
Yeah, you are able to speak. Yeah. So I am able to hear Ismail voice, but now Satish, your voice is not audible. Okay, Satish is rejoining. No problem. So meanwhile, let us continue. Purchase types. Okay, purchase types. So here, accounts payable module, collapse all, setup, accounts payable parameters. Yeah, Satish, are you able to speak now?
Hello.
Yeah, you are audible now.
Sir, my voice.
Yeah, now it is.
Okay. So basically, sir, you said that this storage tracking and third was PDG means
Product dimension group. Product dimension
PDG.
group.
Product dimension. So I wanted to understand basically, though it might be enterprise level data, but when in the live environment, we will not get any other company except for that, right? So how do we create that and how it helps, how it behaves?
Okay, fine. So it is purely T&L topic. Let me explain you. Purely T&L topic. So product information management, storage dimension group. Here, usually I'm selecting site and warehouse. So if you want, you can select site only. Or if you want, select site and warehouse location, you can select. Or you can select all these things. Site means, as I told you, site means example Hyderabad. Warehouse means Dilshuk Nagar is one warehouse, Amirpet is one warehouse, like Kukatpalli is one warehouse, and then Chandanagar one warehouse. That is warehouses. So in the transaction, which one you are going to use, you need to decide in the very first. Usually site and warehouse. Location means within the warehouse, the buildings are places inside. And if you want to understand this one, it is advanced warehouse management, inventory status and license plate.
So this is all in hierarchy, sir.
Under site, there are warehouses. Under warehouse, there are locations. Under the locations, it is license plates.
So we need to create first site, then warehouse, then location, or we can directly do that any of location directly without doing site and warehouse.
No, it is under site. So let me give you explanation. This, to be frankly, you will learn more in detail in the general topic, but let me explain you. Okay, give me a second. Let me open the paint brush. So first you need to create site. You need to create site. First you need to create site. Under the site, you can create warehouse 1, warehouse 2, warehouse 3. Like this, you can create a number of warehouses. Under the warehouses,
తింటావా ఆకలేదు ఉందా తింటావా పద
site, like this. Under this, we are locations. Understood?
కార్తను వచ్చింది.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear, Satish?
Yes, sir.
So if you want to learn all these things, it is trade and logistics module, T&L module. In depth. Okay. This is site, warehouse, location, license plate, and inventory status. Tracking dimension group means batch number, serial number. Batch number means suppose soaps or toothpaste. It is all like 100 items will have same batch number. Serial number means like laptops. Each laptop will have different serial number. That is serial number. Product dimension group means color, size, style, configuration. Color means you know that one. Size means 42 size, 40 size, medium, large. Style means collar, like full hands, half hands, like round neck or collared, like that. Configuration is a big subject. It is part of production in depth. These all are inventory dimensions. Understood now? High level picture. Satish?
Yes, sir. Fine. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome. Fine. So let me go back to the application. Actually, I need to create site and warehouse also. First, let me finish this one. Let me create site. I need to create site. Site is available in inventory management. Inventory management. Setup. Inventory breakdown. Then site. And warehouse also. First you need to create site and then you need to create warehouse. Fine, let me create this one. So inventory management, collapse all, setup. Earlier we understood inventory. In the inventory we are able to find item group and item group. Now not inventory, inventory breakdown. Site you need to create. Example Hyderabad, Bangalore, like that. Site one. In real time scenario, you will not enter 1, 2, 3. Whatever the way you want, you can create. HYD, site Hyderabad. Bangalore, BNG, site Bangalore. Bangalore site. Or like otherwise, Chennai site. Like that you can create. Your wish, based on the client requirement. Next, warehouses. While creating warehouses, you need to map site. Site is mandatory, and this warehouse has different options: default, quarantine, transit. These are covered in T&L, trade and logistics. Okay, site and warehouse we have defined. Without site and warehouse, you cannot proceed a transaction. Remaining, based on the requirement, you need to do it. You means your colleague, trade and logistics consultant, will work on this process. Okay, fine. Next one is purchase types. It is in accounts, procurement and sourcing module. Procurement and sourcing parameters. General tab. You will find this one. Procurement and sourcing module. Collapse all. Setup. Procurement and sourcing parameters. General tab. Here purchase type is journal is there. Now you need to select purchase order. Okay. So general tab, journal type, sorry, purchase type. Select purchase order in place. Instead of journal. In the same manner, for sales also you need to define sales type. 29th, it is order type is there. This is in accounts receivable module. Parameters, general tab, sales, something default will be there. Let me show you. Accounts receivable module, collapse all, setup, accounts receivable parameters, general tab, sales default values, fast tab, order type, select sales order, instead of journal. Select sales order instead of journal. All these are P&L topics. Now you can create a purchase order. Next one is we can create a purchase order. Let me quickly create a purchase order. Accounts payable, collapse all, purchase orders, all purchase orders. Now I'm going to get some error messages. Intentionally, I would like to do some mistakes, and then we'll see what it is. Okay, click on new button. Select the vendor from the drop down. Site and warehouse. Click OK. So click on edit. Actually, I have not created item. This is my mistake. Okay, let me create a release product before this one, because item related setups we have done, but we have not created a release product. That is in product information management. Products, release products. Okay, this entire topic is T&L. This entire thing. But even though T&L, you need to understand the minimum steps. Okay, so let me create a release product. Let me take duplicate. Product information management. Collapse all. Products, release products. Click on new. Suppose I'm creating scales. I'm selling scale. Like wooden scales, I'm selling stationary items. I'm selling scales. Okay, I need to map item group, item model group. Item model group already created. Item group, it was created. Storage dimension group already exists. I'm using site and warehouse. Tracking dimension group, I'm mapping none. Okay, so purchase unit, inventory unit, sales unit, I need to select. Every time I don't want to select like this, it is a hectic job for me. So if you want, you can map some setups. I will show you. Now suppose the scale is I'm purchasing at the rate of $5 and I'm selling at the rate of $8. The cost for the item is $5. Okay, so units, I want to default unit every time. So we have one option in default unit. It is in inventory management. Inventory management. Inventory and warehouse management parameters. General tab. Default unit. Select. Whatever the unit you want, you can map it. So let me show you that one. Let me take duplicate. So this inventory and warehouse management parameters means it is inventory management module. Inventory management module. Setup inventory management parameters. So default unit, if you map it here, automatically it will be populated everywhere. Unit, default unit, general tab, default units. Now, whenever you are creating a new one, look at this one, it is coming automatically. Okay, that is default unit. Fine. So no need to map on one. If you want, you can modify. Now item related setups are done and item is created and all fields are perfect. Now let me select this item, scale, click tab. Suppose I'm purchasing 100 items. The price I have entered already $5 is coming. Now I'm doing confirmation. I'm going to get some errors. Please bear with me for 5-10 minutes. Okay, only for today. Please bear with me 5-10 minutes. And I will show you some errors. Okay, this is vendor code is not authorized. How to rectify? Vendor code is not authorized. In the release product, am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, so now actually like I'm getting error message, warning message. It's not error message, warning message, but confirm. I'm getting warning message. So in the release product, what is this meaning? Can you please read anyone?
Yeah, vendor code APL. Yeah, I think so. We have to set up the release product, the warning only, not.
Yeah.
It's
So I will
already, yeah.
map it. No check. I would like to purchase from anyone. Okay. So fine. Now it is clear. This warning message is clear. Fine. Next one is I'm doing product receipt, receive tab, generate area page, product receipt. Please bear with me for 5-10 minutes. It is most important. Please wait. Okay. For one day, if you are going for late for 5-10 minutes, no issues. To office, please wait. Okay. Product receipt number, document date we have entered. Okay. So click OK. Now product receipt without any errors, it will be posted. The first product purchase order, product receipt is updated. Now I'm doing invoice. I'm doing invoice, generate area page, invoice button, invoice button. Now I will do like a to and fro a lot.
Sorry.
Let us see. Let us see. What is the errors we are getting? I'm entering vendor invoice number, invoice date. It is not mandatory, but best practice. Update mass status, fast. Now,
Sir, what is the function of? Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, what is this update match status, sir? We click every time.
Yeah, next week you are going to learn that one. Next week you are going to learn. Actually, before company creation process, I need to explain, but because of time is not it's not like it is time is not sufficient, so that is the reason I've continued. But I will explain you next week on this one. One is invoice matching policies. Another one is prepayment invoice. There are two topics important. I will discuss with you next week. Okay, you are going to learn. Definitely, you are going to learn. Okay, fine. Now totals. It is fine, 500, everything is correct. Now I'm posting. Now look at the error message. What is the error message we are getting? So you need to read the error message and you need to guide me. It is your responsibility now. You need to guide me where I have to go and what I have to do. I'm getting error message. It is not operation cancelled. Invoice not posted. Now read the message and let me know what I have to do.
Yeah, cost of purchased materials. You have to go to the parameters and then select the cost of purchased materials during the invoice. If you want,
Yeah.
we have to
So where we can
during
find
the
this cost
receipt
of,
as well.
yeah, where we can see this cost of purchase material invoice. Where I have to go?
Account payable setup, parameters, or inventory management. You can go to as well.
Inventory management.
Inventory posting profile.
Setup, posting,
Posting.
posting, cost of purchase material.
Cost of purchased material invoice.
Invoiced, yeah.
This is 140,200. This is inventory account. You need to map it. Okay, done. So it is explaining account number for transaction type, cost of purchased material invoiced, and item scale, item ID scale. You can change the setup in the inventory management setup posting. It was explained clearly the path. Okay, I have done. Now I have done. Now let me try to post. I'm getting another error message. So let me delete this one, because while creating this invoice, the setups are not there. It will throw error message. I need to delete this one. Close, and refresh. This pending vendor invoice will be gone. Okay. Now I'm generating invoice once again. I'm generating invoice. Whatever system said, I did it. Now I'm entering invoice number, date I'm entering, and I'm clicking on update mass status. It is passed. So you will understand this one later next week. Post button. I'm getting once again one more error message. Now look at the error message. It will confuse you a lot, or if it is, sometimes it is perfect. Now it is not a confusion straight away. Can you read anyone?
Item
Yeah.
scale failed to resolve account number for transaction type purchase expenditure for
Main account need to be mapped.
Purchase expenditure for product.
product. And
Purchase
item.
expenditure for product. So once again, purchase expenditure for product. It is must. You need to map. Okay, I have mapped. Okay, now once again, while creating this pending invoice, it is mappings are not there. So if I'm trying to post error, if I'm trying to post this one, I will get continuously this error, same errors, because while creating this invoice, it is not there. So I need to delete this one. I need to close this one. I need to refresh. Pending invoice is gone. Now I need to generate once again invoice. Now I am entering a vendor invoice number. Something. Date I'm entering. Now update mass status. Now I'm posting. It is passed. Now I'm posting. Now without any errors, it will be posted, because the required setups I have done properly. Now it is posting, getting posted. Okay, it was posted. Now journals, invoice, voucher. So it is not showing the voucher. Actually, the voucher is available here in the like general ledger. So it is taking one minute time. That's it. Now if you refresh, it will come once again. Look at this one. If it is not coming, we know that one where it is available. General ledger. Can anyone guide me?
Yeah,
General ledger. Where?
Periodic task.
Periodic task.
Periodic task.
Subledger entry not yet transferred.
Okay, transfer now. It will take 1 minute time, 2 minutes time to process. Now if you verify the voucher, it will show the voucher. It is cost of material purchased invoice account data to vendor account credit. Understood? Any questions here? So purchase expenditure for product 0. For 0 also you need to map the ledger account. It is must. Okay. So there are many topics I'm keeping pending. I think everyone is writing in one place pending points. I need to clear all the pending points, whatever I have postponed before closing the session. So it is your responsibility. I know what are the points I have postponed. I remember for definitely. I know that one, but I'm expecting from you like this month end. I will tell you like I'm going to close the sessions. At that time, you need to recap what are the pending points from my side to teach you. This is one of the pending point. Okay, now cost of material purchased material invoice account data to vendor. Okay. So purchase order invoice is posted. 31 and 32. I'm going to share this document with you. Purchase order, product receipt and invoice. So I'm going to share with you in few minutes. Everyone need to do this one. Everyone need to do it. Whoever is looking for a job in Dynamics world, every day you need to start and you need to complete. So some more steps also you are going to learn in next tomorrow. Okay, this company creation process, everyone need to do it. Everyone need to do it. It is your responsibility. Whoever is looking for a job, at least 20 to 25 times you need to do it. Any questions?
Thank you, sir. Got it. So regarding the data management, import and export, you said you'll show one time.
Yeah.
Is it possible
Yeah.
to bring that one forward? So when we create the account company, we may able to upload the data when we, example,
Okay.
if I'm create.
So tomorrow I will show you chart of accounts. So you are asking about chart of accounts upload. So I will show you tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you. Okay.
So any more questions, team? Anyone? Okay, nothing. So data management framework is not our course content, but I will give you a high level picture like tomorrow how to import chart of accounts. Okay, tomorrow we'll see how to import chart of accounts. Fine.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Any more questions, team? Anyone? Please let me know. Otherwise, we'll wind up the session for today. We'll connect once again tomorrow morning, same time, 8 a.m. IST. Okay, see you all. Bye-bye.
So one more question, sir. In a real time, the functional consultant also need to understand the data management. Am I correct?
Yes. So MB 300 and 310, both are you need to be certified.
Okay.
So if you go here, MB 310 and MB 300, both if you certified, then only you will get, you will be a functional consultant as per Microsoft. So there are more subject inside.
Yeah. Thank you. So where do you have any idea where I can find the good documents in, particularly in a data management workspace like import, export, and then copy entity? Is there any idea?
So Google
again,
okay. Google only. Yeah, docs.microsoft.com has excellent documentation. Okay, so that is also available.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So recently I'm teaching this one also, MB 300 also I'm teaching. Okay, so that is
any course.
differently.
Do you have any course recently started?
Not now. So like I will inform you whenever I'm starting this related to this this one. I will discuss with you. I will publish in the group. So I have provided training for corporate training for few people. I provide training. So I will give you explanation this one. I will inform you like whenever it is batch, because the main problem is for me time.
Okay.
The time is the main concern, like because I need to, in the weekdays I'm working for my company for complete day, and weekends I'm conducting one time manufacturing, one time warehouse management, and three hours in weekdays, Saturday, Sunday I'm spending for my growth, my learnings. So only I have free time Saturday, Sunday, at least 4 to 5 hours to spend with my family. So that is the main concern, but we'll see that one. Is there any possibility? I will let you know. Okay, I will publish to the in the group, like I'm teaching this one so and so date, these many days. It is more like, I mean to say 15-20 hours is more enough, most probably 20 hours is more enough. Okay, so whenever I'm conducting, I will let you know.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
Thank you.
So we'll connect once again tomorrow. Yeah, welcome. See you. Bye bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Bye.